8 2024, question 29. Which of the following statements, these are some industrially important petroleum, petrochemical industry reactions, and we have to find out which one is true and which one is not. Let's look at option A. Catalytic hydrocracking converts heavier hydrocarbons into lighter hydrocarbons. So, what is the purpose of catalytic hydrocracking? It takes heavy hydrocarbons, mainly, let's say, vacuum gas oil, that range, and converts that to lighter saturated hydrocarbons. It could be something like gasoline, diesel, and normally they use the bifunctional catalyst. So this option is true. Let's look at option B. Catalytic reforming converts straight chain hydrocarbons to aromatics. So this is option B. What happens in catalytic reforming? They use catalyst. Normally, it's like platinum or in some other bimetallic catalyst on alumina, very special one. And they take the paraffins, normally in the naphtha range, and the naphthenes, and they convert them to aromatics. Let's say typically something like, let's say, N-hexane. And if we take the N-hexane, what it does, so what are the problem? It goes to like a dehydrogenation. It goes through cyclization, maybe, because this is a very complex reaction and it's very difficult to model. Anyway, it goes through isomerization, and also it goes through dehydrocyclization. Cyclization. I'll just give a very simple example. Let's say you have hexane, normal hexane. So this is like CH3 here. This is CH2, etc. So this is one carbon atom, second carbon atom, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth CH3, and this goes to an cyclization process to be converted into cyclohexane. So this is my cyclohexane, and that goes to an aromatization process to become benzene. So this is the purpose of catalytic reforming. So this is converts straight chain. So these are straight chain hydrocarbons to aromatics. So this option is also. Let's look at option C. Cumene is manufactured by the catalytic alkylation of benzene with propane. Let's look at here. So, how is cumene produced? Cumene, of course, is an intermediate, and this is, of course, a very important intermediate for the production of phenol. So, we'll not look into it. We'll look it up to here. So, how cumene is produced? So, this is basically isopropyl benzene. So, in the Federal-Capsch reaction, we know this is basically it's an alkylation process. So, this adds alkyl group to an aromatic ring. So this is my aromatic ring, benzene, to which we add propylene in presence of a catalyst like phosphoric acid and some temperature and pressure. And as you can see, an alkyl group is attached to this benzene ring. So this is isopropyl. As you can see, 3 carbon atoms. So this is isopropyl benzene, and this is the commercial name is cumene. So it is true that cumene is produced by the Federal-Capsch reaction between benzene and propylene. So cumene is manufactured by the catalytic alkylation process. So this is an alkyl group which is added of benzene with propylene. So this option is also true. So A is true, B is true, C is true. Let's look at D. Vinyl acetate is manufactured by reacting methane with acetic acid over a palladium catalyst. Yes, palladium catalyst used, and this is vinyl acetate, but actually they use ethylene, not methane. They don't use methane. Methane is is this, that is ethane. So this is methane. So methane is added with acetic acid, and the acetic acid. So this ethylene group comes over here by the here and under the catalytic influence, and it produces the vinyl acetate. So as you can see, this is false because ethylene is used, not methane. So option D, which is reacting methane, this is not true. This is ethylene. So option D is false. So A, B, and C are true options.